Hey guys, welcome back. 1 week until fall break. We've almost made it to that huge mark in our year. So a couple of different things, just on things that I've noticed as you've been submitting assignments online. First of all, it seems like many of you have figured out the system. Stuff's posted the beginning of the week. You get it in by the end of the week. If you figure out that you're falling behind or you're missing something, just ask. I'd be happy to do a Google Meets, and we can share screens. I can, if you have technical issues, things not sharing that way, and so on, we can kind of work through some of those issues, which some of y'all have done. This week, we just have the Chapter 1 tipcast is due, so you're going to be reading through Chapter 1, and then when we come back from break, we'll be working through Chapter 2, and at that point, we'll have already done the introduction, Chapter 1, and Chapter 2. And then that's when we'll be starting to look at our next paper. So until then, just keep plugging away, keep reading, keep filling those out, and you will be all set. If you have questions, just ask.